Hey you guys, I'm back with another Halloween look. My last one was purely makeup, so this one's going to be SFX. I'm going to be following Mikey Glam & Gore's video for a jack-o'-lantern carved out face look, but I will be using liquid latex and cotton instead of scar wax because I don't like scar wax. No. So I already blocked out my eyebrows. They're baking right now, so I just have to wipe that off and then we can begin. I'm so mad. So this nail is so long, and I literally broke it somehow. Right at the freaking base of it. I'm so mad. I knew that was gonna happen sometime soon. I need cuticle oil. Anyway. I'm gonna take a white cream eyeliner and begin sketching out our jack-o'-lantern shape. I'm actually going to switch to a dark brown brow pencil because I don't want to waste my white eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to cover up my nose because of my nose ring. It's kind of angry with me, so I'm not going to worry about putting latex on my nose. Okay, our outline is all done. Now I'm going to start unraveling cotton balls and laying down latex and tracing around the mouth with cotton and latex. Okay, now to make everything more blended in with my skin, I'm going to take a piece of tissue. I already split it in half. I'm going to make it in little strips and then go around it one more time to make it a little more blended into my skin. We want all the insides to have like a little lip, but the outside be blended in with our skin. Alright, now I'm going to take the back of my tweezers that I've been using and just separate the inside from my skin to make it a defined lip. There we go. There's the word. Alright, I'm going to start covering the outside in foundation. I'm going to set all of this with translucent powder. Now I'm going to take a black liquid lipstick and line the inside of all of our lipped area, so around the mouth and the eyes. Now I'm going to take Daring Night by NYX. It's a little bit of a brownish dark red color, and I'm going to put that a little bit underneath the black, but generally in the same area. Alright, those are going to dry down, and while those are doing that, I'm going to start mixing up our face paint. I'm going to use the Makeup of Murder Neon Orange Poison Pigment. and I'm just going to mix it in with a little bit of water. Alright, now I'm going to put Liverpool by NYX, which is a bright red liquid lipstick, and put that in all of the white areas that we left in the mouth and the eyes. It's okay if this gets outside of the outlines, just a little bit. For a little bit of depth inside of all of our features, I'm going to take the red Makeup of Murder Poison pigment and wet it the same I did with the orange and put it inside of our eyes and mouth. Now I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Lip Hooked on Love, which is a brown shade, sloppily put that in our eyes and mouth. Now I'm going to begin shading my face to look like a pumpkin. I'm going to take a Morphe M166 brush and just a light brown shade to start. Just going to make the lines like a pumpkin. I'm going to shade the outside of these lines, so right over here, with a dark orange color. I'm going to use Real Gar from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette on a Morphe M456 brush. Now I'm just taking a little sponge and breaking off the end to make it textured, and I'm going to grab some fake blood. We're finally at the fake blood stage, and put that in our eyes and mouth. But first I'm going to take my black liquid lipstick and give myself a little nose. I didn't want to carve out the nose because of my nose ring, but I do want a nose. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. Be safe, wear your masks, be kind to each other. Have a great October, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!